Mine looks so cute.
It is very cute.
Hers look cute.
Thank you, baby.
That's nasty, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Come say hi, guys.
Hi guys,
Welcome back to my channel.
So as is guys, so we got this from the
Pumpkin patch.
pumpkin patch.
We just came back from the pumpkin patch. So
So-
the previous video is gonna be us going to the pumpkin patch. So
Painting the pumpkins.
you guys can tune into that. So this is our decorating pumpkin vlog before
Mine is so
Halloween, right? So this is Jace's pumpkin. And this is Mommy's pumpkin.
small. That big.
So we have some water, we got some eyes, we got some paintbrushes, some glue, and some paint. So this is a fun activity for toddlers. So.
Let's get started.
Oh, okay, sorry. Which color do you want?
So I'm gonna
Okay, wait,
pick
which
red.
you want red? Okay, put it in your little. We got these from Dollar Tree. This, and this. All of this was from Dollar Tree, actually.
Mommy, I'm gonna do that by myself.
Okay, here.
Clearly.
So Jace is gonna pour his paint. So Jace is coloring his pumpkin. I'm gonna try to make white. Well, I'm gonna try to make pink. So here goes mine so far. It's a thin coat. This is Jace's so far. But it looks so cute.
Making mine's wet.
I made a little bit of pink.
With white and red.
So we're gonna let it dry for a little bit, finish up, and we'll show you guys our pumpkins when we are done.
Cheese.
No, don't put it in your face. Okay. So. Papa, we gotta decorate our house, our Halloween house.
Oh, we forgot.
No, we could do it. We could do it later. We could do it tomorrow.
No.
What happened?
I want to do it right now.
When you finish?
Yeah.
Okay. So you gotta put your Halloween. You gotta put your Halloween stuff on, okay?
Costume?
You could put your Halloween costume, or you could put your. You could put your
Waka waka
You could put your pumpkin. Your pumpkin
face. Waka waka What?
You could put your Halloween, your pajamas.
Costume.
Your pajamas.
No costume.
The pumpkin.
Costume.
Alright, Jace.
I just said costume.
Okay.
I said costume. You keep saying uniform.
Hey.
You keep saying uniform.
I don't know what else I'm supposed to put on top of this, but. I don't have any more pink, so.
So you finish your pink.
Yeah, finish.
With the red?
Yeah. Okay, Jace, I'm done.
I'm not done. Yours is almost dry.
Yeah.
Mine just not even dry.
Yeah, because you keep putting a lot on top of it. Everything just works. Leave it like this. Okay, you can stop, Jace. That's enough. No more, okay? We're going to let it dry, okay? Okay.
I'll put that.
Not yet. Gotta let it dry. We're going to clean up a little bit.
They have scratches on mine.
Here goes mine. It's pink.
Here's go mine.
You gotta do it higher. Higher. Put it up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Sit.
It look nice.
Yeah.
But it look ugly. But
You don't say that, Papa.
it don't look. It look ugly. I'll show you.
Papa, pass me. Oh.
The paintbrush. The.
I'm gonna add some googly eyes. Papa, where are you gonna put your googly eyes?
Googly eyes.
Yeah.
I'm excited to
gonna put two
mine
big
is not
ones.
even dry.
I know, baby. You're gonna let it dry, okay? I'm gonna put the.
I'm sad.
Don't be sad. We're just gonna pick it. Pick what size do you want?
I want medium
Medium.
size. No, little ones.
Okay, these two. And these two.
Are these googly eyes?
Yeah.
They can move.
Yeah, I know. This is tacky glue.
Tacky glue. So we're gonna let. Well, why are those eyes so big? So big. Why you have big eyes?
You know, you get too infested. Ooh. Okay, you're just gonna put a little bit on it.
And I can put my.
Just wait. Yours is almost dry.
No, I don't want.
You don't want the eyes?
No, I don't.
You gonna put letters on yours?
I want big ones.
Okay. Put some eyes. Ooh, that drew.
Oh, these are wet. This is wet.
And then.
Wet eye. Inside of it.
Okay.
Ooh, no blusher there.
What? So we're adding some glue. Oh, I'm not even in the camera. So we're gonna add some glue to the front of this one. Or should I do it like this? Okay. Papa, look at mine. This is so cute. All right, wait till yours is finished. Come.
Mine's just not even
So
dry.
I'm just gonna keep mine simple like this.
Mine's like just not gonna be like yours.
Jace, it is okay for yours to be different, okay? Yours does not have to be the same like mommy's, okay? Have a seat, please. You gotta let it dry, okay?
Okay. Oops. You put paint on it.
It's okay.
Thank you.
It's so cute.
It's mixed with red,
Okay.
but the red isn't.
No. Let's see if it'll hold with the paint. See, yeah.
It don't have no glue.
Let's see if you could put it on. Put it on the front. No, right here. Look. See right here. If it holds. Oh yeah. See, it sticks.
It sticks.
Yeah. But there's paint. Wet paint. Put the other one.
The other one?
Okay.
Okay.
Put it right here.
Put it
In the
right
front. Yeah, where it's still a little wet. Yeah.
here. Can you help me?
Push it, baby. You can do it. Yeah. Push it right there. Push it. Push it. Wow. This is so cute.
We have to put the face on it too.
Hmm?
We have to put the face on it too.
Okay. See?
I
There's
just,
some paint on my finger.
I just made.
Alright, Jace.
Make.
Oh, wait. Alright, so let's show them our pumpkins. We're gonna do our other activities. Come sit down, sit down.
Another activity?
Sit down, Jace. Come sit down.
Another activity?
Yeah.
Which one?
Alright guys, so these are our pumpkins. So show them, baby.
Mine looks so cute.
It is very
Hers?
cute.
Hers look cute.
Thank you, baby. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next vlog.
Bye.
And that's nuts, Billy.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.